Beauties, it's Jean Persani with Beauty and the Stamper. And you guys, there's Stanley right there. So I have a little bit of a different perspective today, but I wanted to show you guys, I got a new Grove box. So we're gonna be unboxing it, and I'm gonna show you because there's a new scent out. So I'm super excited to try out the new scents. They have mint, lilac and peony. And for the life of me, I don't remember which one I got, but we're gonna find out together. So let's see what I ordered this month. I always just kind of stick things in my cart throughout the month to see what, you know, when I need things. And so I always forget. It's always like a little bit of a Christmas present to me. So, all right. Oh, there's a good amount of stuff in here. Look at all this. That's a lot of stuff, right? Let's see what we've got. All right, first things first. I know I don't order these. They always give them to me for free. And it's the walnut and cellulose scrubber sponges. I love this. I have so many of them. And because they often give them like for free, because they give different free items, I don't feel bad just using it and tossing it away. But the thing is it never gets smelly, like musty or anything. I have not had that happen. So that's pretty good. I did buy another set of these because I did have two of them. You guys, they work so well. I love them. They are ultra absorbent European dishcloths, and they come in a 2-pack. And it really does, you guys. I still have paper towels, but I rarely go through them like I used to because I use these. And you can throw them in the dishwasher and they'll get all clean again, or you can throw them in the laundry. I didn't dry mine. I just threw it in the laundry, and then when it came out, I just brought it up to the front and used it again. So, but I'm sure you could dry them. I use them, and then I kind of just hang them over this little rack that I have, and it dries it out, and I use it again until it gets dirty, and then once it gets dirty, then I throw it in the dishwasher or the laundry. The next thing, this one's new to me. This is Bamboo Hypoallergenic Breathable Strips. They're aloe vera organic Band-Aid. Well, Band-Aid's the brand, but this is not the Band-Aid brand. Adhesive bandages, we'll call them. And they are, I'm allergic to, what am I allergic to? I am allergic, I can't think of the name. I want to say Velcro, and I'm not allergic to Velcro. I'll think of it, it'll come to me. Anyways, a lot of bandages are made out of, not acrylic. I don't know. Hold on, I'll get there. Anyways, they are made out of latex. It's latex. I'm allergic to latex. And a lot of bandages are made out of latex. So these aren't, and they have aloe vera. So I thought that would be a cool little trial there. Let's see. I want to surprise myself with the fragrances that I got. Oh, I already saw. It's got like a. Oh wait, hold on. Hold on. What do we have here? Oh my goodness. Maybe I'm gonna really surprise myself here. Okay, it looks like, yes, now I remember. I remember what I did. I ended up choosing the Peony, and I just adore their cleaner. It's their everyday cleaner. You guys, the lemon verbena is my favorite year-round, especially going into spring. Oh my goodness, just having that like lemony clean smell with all the lemons out on the trees and everything. So I'm kind of excited to try the peonies because the flowers are going to be blooming, so it might be nice to have all the floral smell. So I'm very allergic to certain smells, so sometimes it gets me like, I don't know if I really want to take a big smell. Oh, but this is nice. This is nice and clean. It's not like overwhelmingly floral. So nice. I got that one, and then this is the hand soap. So I got this. Now this is going to be for the kitchen. There. And now I know why I chose the others as well, because I also got this hand soap, and this one is in, oh, I just saw it, rainwater, and it contains aloe vera and olive oil. So this one is in the rainwater, and I got it because my bathroom is blue, and I want to kind of redo my bathroom. Usually I use the Bath & Body Works, but I've really been enjoying these products so much, and this says aromatherapeutic household products. So I've been enjoying it. So I got the hand soap and the lotion. So let's give it a smell. We'll see. I need lotion pretty bad on my hands. So this will be the first time I ever have any type of lotion in my, this one's sticking for some reason. This will be the first time I have any lotion like in my guest bathroom, but I will definitely need it because well, you guys see me, look out. It's got like so rough right there. So I'm actually gonna put a little bit right on there. That was, oh. That's me. All I can do, if you guys watch me other than Grove, all I can do is say that's me, because that's how I am. I can't even do something like that without having some kind of blooper. And if I edited my videos, they would probably only be like maybe a minute long. But with all my bloopers, we're already at 7 minutes here. So I love this. I knew I'd like the rain smell. And then the blue goes with my bathroom. So, okay, I think I only have, oh no, I have 2 more products. And both of these are kind of rebuys for me. This one is the Zarbee's. You guys, this is, oh my goodness, you guys have heard my voice. And this has been lifesaver. I'm going to open it so you could see. And I believe these were $5.99, which is expensive to me for throat lozenges. Because you're only getting 2, 4, 6. You're only getting 14. There's 2 little things in here. But this is honey, you guys. I think it was 90. Yeah, it's 99% honey. And then this is, again, new to me. This is the natural mint flavor. I like the lemon flavor was good. The cherry flavor was good. And then there was another flavor that had like zinc and stuff in it. And the flavor was decent, but I don't care for zinc. So, but like I said, I think these are like $5.99, which sounds expensive, but I was out and I didn't want to put in a whole Grove order. Because I knew I had everything coming anyways, and I was waiting for this peony smell, which, by the way, this is the dish soap. I didn't show you this one, but I always buy, I do get sidetracked. I always buy the 3 together. That way we have one cohesive smell, and they sit so nicely on the little tray, and it just looks so nice and put together, and you've got your cleaning products just out and about, and it doesn't look bad. Okay, back to these. I wanted to tell you I was out and didn't want to place a whole order because I was waiting for this peony smell to come out, which it's out right now, by the way, so go ahead and grab one. I'll put a link down below so that you can order from me, and then I get a little bit of a reward for that. And you can get the reward too. Like when you let your friends know, they give you a little reward that you can spend and buy more Grove. And there's been times when I haven't spent a dime on my Grove orders. So, in fact, I think this whole order may have cost me like $7, I think. So, that includes this that was $5.99. But the whole time I've been telling you this multiple times is because I actually went to CVS and bought some. They were $8.99. So I will gladly pay. I don't even need these right now. My throat, my voice, everything seems to be fine. And I just bought these for the future. So just because $5.99 now to me is an excellent price. And then the last thing I got is this Bubble Up. Again, this is a sort of repurchase for me. And let me open it because look at those pretty designs. And I have the white one. It's just plain white. But when I saw that they had this one with the designs, I had to get it. Look how cute that is. So pretty. Okay, so let me tell you what it is. It's a scrubber, and I use it for like my stuck-on stuff for dishes. And this scrubber goes in here, right? But look, can you see it push down? That is because there is this thing in here, this little guy, that you have your water and dish soap in there, and then you have that in there, and then when you push it down, it makes bubbles. That's why it's called a Bubble Up. So it's a soap dispenser and dish brush. So really cool. I like it. And now I have a second one, but I have one for spring in these lovely designs. So that's everything I got. I wonder if I have the invoice, because I'll tell you. Oh wait, what is this? Oh yeah, this is the invoice. Even that invoice is nice and pretty. Oh yeah, it doesn't say how much I paid for it, but I don't think it was very much. I really think it was like $7. So, and I can't wait to try these. I'll let you know more about that, but definitely love these. All right, that's it. There's little Stanley right there. He's just been hanging out. He loves to sit right there and look out the window and keep an eye out, make sure there's no intruders. So, all right. Again, I'm going to put the link down below if you guys want to try out Grove. If you've tried it before, let me know. Put a note in the comments and let me know what you've purchased and what your favorite product is. I might have to try some new stuff. All right, beauties, have a wonderful day. I'm going to be doing more videos today, so I'll have the same outfit on. I'll probably post them because I hate waiting, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.